Oh, I got to get in on the Musk fires Trump action. It's all over the news. It's broken out into open. And now we've got the ultimate insider whistleblower. His name is Elon Musk, and he's going to tell everybody, including the courts, all the bad things that Elon Musk did on behalf of Donald Trump. Now we got new reporting as late as just an hour ago that Elon Musk is endorsing calls to impeach Donald Trump. This has been a whirlwind 72 hours. I want to talk about a couple of things. What a rogue Elon Musk outside the tent peeing into the Trump administration means for his dozen or so cases that are out there involving Musk and Doge. It's a white knuckle moment for the Trump administration, I assure you. And who's going to win the fight between Elon Musk and Donald Trump now that Musk has fired Donald Trump? As one right-wing MAGA influencer on X just said, endorsed by Elon Musk, my money's on Elon Musk. My money's on you. Here on Legal AF, let's get into the sordid details of the Musk-Trump blowout. It started with Elon Musk being patted on the back on the way out after 120 days from the White House for his service. Thank you for your service. And then back to the business world. That's what we thought was going to happen. But he who rides the tiger fears the dismount, right? And so he left. And now, untethered to reality or the Trump administration, Elon Musk, still the world's richest person, decided to do what Elon Musk does best, which is to say crap out loud and to attack his patron, thinking that he's the patron, kind of a role reversal. So first he attacked the big, beautiful budget bill as an abomination. And that freaked out Donald Trump. And he started to say, well, I used to have a good relationship with Elon Musk, but I don't apparently have it any longer. And he read the bill from cover to cover. Elon Musk said, lie. I never read it at all. I wasn't involved with it at all. And then it took a turn. How do I put it mildly? Well, when your former employee calls his boss effectively a pedophile, you might think that the wheels have fallen off the wagon. So now we've got the reporting today that Elon Musk started posting on social media about Jeffrey Epstein's relationship with Donald Trump. Now, look, we've reported on it on the Midas Touch Network. There's a clip running right now over on Midas Touch social media that shows a video that Ben and others did about the close connection between Jeffrey Epstein and Elon Musk. It's no, there was exposés already written that Donald Trump was on the plane 7 times, 8 times with this notorious convicted pedophile who hung himself in jail, apparently. So, but you never had Elon Musk come out and say, the reason they didn't release all the Epstein files? Because Donald Trump's in them. If that didn't leave the impression that Donald Trump's a pedophile, I don't know what will. So that happened. That's called the point of no return, I'm sure, at that moment. I thought, well, that's interesting. Then Trump starts to fight back the only way he knows how, which is underhanded. And he said, I'm going to fire Elon Musk and all of his billions and billions and billions of dollars of contracts, including where he's outsourced effectively NASA to SpaceX. And Elon Musk said, well, I don't need your money. I'm going to fire you. I'm going to cancel and decommission the Space Dragon, which you're using to shuttle because you don't have your, since we relied on Elon Musk, we don't have our own NASA shuttles, NASA reusable rockets anymore. So fine, I'll take them. I'll take my toys and I'm going home. Okay, now you got the toys going home part of the play. He grabs it and goes, all right. And I thought, oh, that's interesting. Then there's what I call the taking sides chapter. Now the Twitterverse and the metaverse is taking sides on who's going to win this battle. And they are siding against Donald Trump and with Elon Musk. I mean, I don't like the guy, and I think he's terrible for society, but there's millions of people that like Elon Musk, and they started siding with him. Some of them said there should be an impeachment of Donald Trump. Those are fighting words. Those are Democratic words. And Elon Musk said yes in his social media post. So now you've got Elon Musk calling for the impeachment of Donald Trump. Oh, chef's kiss. Delicious. Now let me take it from a legal perspective. It's a law and politics show. So let me take it from a trial lawyer perspective, my own. You got 12 different cases involving Elon Musk and Doge, where Elon Musk is either a defendant or Doge is, and he's a lead witness. And now you've got the ultimate whistleblower, because he, if anybody thinks he's not going to crap all over Donald Trump and bend over backwards not to help him in these cases, I don't know what you're smoking. It's exactly what he's going to do. I've been a corporate litigator my whole life. I've had plenty of witnesses that were white knuckle moments. Rogue employees that we couldn't trust, or left the company with an axe to grind that we couldn't get back under our control, who then give the big deposition. And it's like, you can't act like you're sweating, but you're sweating inside. The one that won't let you prepare them or will let you prepare them, but they're just spitting the words out of their mouth and they're very angry. You know, those are the ones that keep you up at night as a trial lawyer. Those are the ones you have to work around from a trial strategy standpoint to try to minimize the bomb blast, if you know what I mean. You know, so that's Musk, because he's an insider. He's got the ultimate knowledge of what Doge did, and now he's likely to side with the plaintiffs' lawyers. You know, those 14 attorneys general led by Letitia James that's suing to show that Musk was improperly appointed because he was never confirmed by the Senate. You know, that case before Judge Chutkan that's still kicking around because she kept the lawsuit alive last week. Well, let me tell you what's going to happen now. They're going to try hard. Right now, there is a scramble. You can hear it. Let's take a listen. That's lawyers scrambling to try to get Elon Musk under depositions in their case, because he's not going to cooperate with the Trump administration. He's not going to cooperate with the pinheads, the Department of Justice that he has no respect for. I mean, Elon Musk is his own man. I don't like the guy, but you know, there's reporting that he had a shoving match, or at least he was the shover of the Treasury Secretary. There was another one where he had a shouting match that almost came to blows with Marco Rubio and with Boris Epshteyn at the beginning of the administration. What is happening here? So he's gonna help the attorneys general. He's gonna crap on his own conduct. That's a term of art. He's going to say, yeah, I wasn't properly appointed. Yes, I wielded tremendous executive privilege. Yes, I had a conversation. Here we go. I had a conversation in which they told me that they were going to try to keep me as a special government employee, but I don't think that I was, because I was really running all of these agencies. I was given the power to put these agencies through a wood chipper, to defund them, to fire tens of thousands of employees, and I did it. And then Donald Trump screwed it up by adding $3 trillion to the debt with a budget. It looks like the budget, a big, beautiful budget bill, is what sent Elon Musk over the edge. Even Donald Trump was like, he looks crazy. Every time somebody does something that Donald Trump doesn't like, whether it's Putin or it's Elon Musk, it's like, this guy's crazy. Yeah, crazy as a fox. So if I'm a plaintiff's lawyer, and I am, if I am a plaintiff's lawyer in these cases, I'm scrambling to get Musk to talk to him through his lawyers. And people know who the lawyers are out there. I know the two or three firms that have represented him in the past. Some of them are on the opposite side of the Trump administration right now. So if he gets over to a firm like Quinn Emanuel or some other firms that haven't settled with Donald Trump, and there's a number of them that have an axe to grind against the Trump administration, they link forces with Elon Musk, game over in these lawsuits. And if the courts ultimately declare on a summary judgment that Elon Musk was rogue and ultra vires in making decisions, wasn't properly appointed, everything he did is illegal and illegitimate and needs to be overturned. Everything. So he was around for 120 days, did maximum destruction, but we might be able to undo it all with Elon Musk's own help. How delightful. Another chef's kiss. I'm glad you're here for this breakdown. I'm Michael Pope, not that kind of breakdown. I'm Michael Popok. You're on Legal AF. Take a moment, hit the subscribe button. I got a number of different things I want to tell you here at the end of this hot take. One, subscribe, please. It helps. Legal AF, the podcast. Come on over there, Midas Touch, listen and watch that. Legal AF, the Substack, all these cases and Supreme Court cases that have just come out, that we're posting on Legal AF, the Substack with analysis. You'll love it. But, and I got a brand new podcast you might have heard of. It's called The Intersection, Tuesday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern time on the Midas Touch Network. And then I'll do reporting along the way as well. No holds barred, no smoker sunshine. It's me, unplugged, unfiltered, sometimes unhinged. The Intersection. So until my next report, I'm Michael Popok. Can't get your fill of Legal AF? Me neither. That's why we formed the Legal AF Substack. Every time we mention something in a hot take, whether it's a court filing or a oral argument, come over to the Substack. You'll find the court filing and the oral argument there, including a daily roundup that I do called, wait for it, Morning AF. What else? All the other contributors from Legal AF are there as well. We got some new reporting. We got interviews. We got ad-free versions of the podcast and hot takes. Where? Legal AF on Substack. Come over now to free subscribe.